Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack, and today I'll be showing you how to use TeamViewer on Android. So first things first is go to the Google Play Store and make sure guys you have the TeamViewer downloaded into your phone. So make sure to download it up, and now once you have downloaded it, you can just simply go ahead and open. And now, once you have opened the app, you would just simply select down below agree and continue, and here you would just simply go ahead and sign in into your account for better performance. And now you can just simply skip it at the top right corner if that's what you want. And pretty much over here down below, you should be able to have the connect tab, which you could just simply search for a device over here, a contact, or provide the ID, and pretty much your recent connection will show up over here once you have connected them. So pretty much you will get the code or ID from your partner, and down below we should have an option devices over here. So pretty much if you sign in your account, you could see your recent TeamViewer activities, and right over here guys, you could just simply sign in into your account in order for you to see that information. And now, as you can see, TeamViewer will be activating once we have logged in into our account, and just simply wait for some time. And now when we go to the chat, you should be able to see here your chat history as well. And if you go for the apps, you should be able to discover the other apps to level up the remote control experience. And pretty much you should be able to access it over here. And it is a very friendly application. And as you can see, we should be able to have my recent connection right on the connect once we log in into our account. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.